Dear student friends, in this lecture we will see the examples based on rank of a matrix. We already seen what is the rank of a matrix, or rank of a matrix is the number of non-zero row in a row echelon form of a matrix. So to find rank of a matrix, first we convert this matrix to a row echelon form. Moreover, this question can be asked like this: find the simple basis for row space and column space of a matrix. Then we have to convert this matrix to reduced row echelon form. Consider an example that find the simple basis for row space and column space of a matrix. Hence find the rank of the matrix. First we converting this matrix to row echelon form. So consider the matrix. This is a 4 by 3 matrix containing 4 rows and 3 columns. So consider this matrix. Uh, Let us see the first operation we have to operate on this matrix is we bring here 1 is given here, we bring 0 below this 1 in this place, that is 2 1 place, 3 1 place and 4 1 place. So we have to do the operations. First operation is R2 minus 2 R1 comma R3 plus 2 R1, R4 plus 1 R1. Why we have done this operation R2 minus 2 R1? Because we have to bring 0 here, 0. For that, multiplying this by minus 2 and adding to this first row and adding to second row, we will get 0 here. So similarly, multiplying first row by 2 and adding to third row, we will get 0 here. And lastly, multiplying this by 1 and adding to the fourth row. So performing these three operations combined, we have this A is equivalent to 1 2 minus 3. First row is as it is, second row is 0 minus 3 6, 0 3 minus 3 and 0 6 minus 5. See here how this minus 3 is came here, this minus 3 is due to the operation that R2 minus 2 R1, multiplying this first row by minus 2 and adding to second row. What we get? This multiplying this by minus 2 becomes minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. Similarly, performing all operations, we get this matrix A is equivalent to, see here, this is a minus 3, bringing at the 2 place we want 1 here, and we will bring 0 here below this minus 3 at the place 3 and 6, that is at 3 2 and 4 2 places, 3 2 and 4 2 places. So multiplying this second row by minus 1 by 3, we will get 1 here, and this is just minus 2. And next operation we have to bring 0 here. So operating by R3 minus 3 R2, we get 0 here, and R4 minus 6 R2, because multiplying this second row by minus 6 and adding to the third row, we will get this matrix A. Again at the third row we have 3 here, bringing 1 here. So to bring 1 here, we have multiplied this, we have to multiply this third row by 1 by 3, we will get 1 here, and similarly we have to bring 0 here. So what happens here? We get R4 minus 7 R3, we have this matrix, we have this A is equivalent to this matrix, which is in row echelon form, because the 0 is placed at the bottom of the matrix. First non-leading entry in a column contains all zeros. This is again a leading entry contain below all zeros. So this is in a row echelon form. Converting this matrix to a reduced row echelon form means what? A leading entry, first non-zero entry in a non-zero row is called a leading entry. A row containing leading a column containing leading entry has all elements 0. This is the first leading entry, so all this must have all zeros. This is a second leading entry, this column has all zeros. This is third leading entry, this column also has all zeros. So for converting this matrix to a reduced row echelon form, performing the operation, which operations have to perform first? We have to bring 0 here. First at the place -2 and -3. So R3 plus 2 R2, multiplying this R3 by 2 and adding to this second row. We have to get 0 here. Similarly, R3 plus 3R1. Multiplying this R1 R3 by -3 plus 3 and adding to this, we will get this matrix. And at the last we have to bring 0 here, so multiplying this second row by -2 and adding to the first row, will get 0, which is in reduced row echelon form. See here, only non-zero rows of A comes in basis of row space of A. Therefore, simple basis for row space of A is, this is the first row, second row and third row. This 0 will not come into the row space of A. Thus, row rank of A is equal to 3. Similarly, column rank of A is 3 because row rank is equal to column rank, and this common is denoted by rank of a matrix. So, rank of this matrix is 3. Everyone understand, student? Thank you.